This is a 3-bedroom house located at the Blue Gardens Estate right off the Kaswa Winneba Highway, and trust me, it's going to steal your heart. I have to say, I just love the space around this house. You're surrounded by nature, you have your fruit trees. You can just wake up, come here, grab a coconut and have a refreshing drink. Aside all that, you have all of this space over here for you with your stamped concrete finish already done for you. This space is so big. I'm going to pretend I'm a car and try entering and see how many of me will fit here. So I'm a car entering this space. I could fit about 7 of me in this space. It is so big. I can do so many things over here. Like, you don't even have to go pay for any event ground to have your event. Your compound can be your event ground whenever you have an event. How cool is that? Let's go inside the house and check out what's in the house. Welcome to the living area. Oh my goodness, this has to be my favorite part about this house. This living area is huge, and this light fixture here is beautiful. It gives it a little bit of a feminine touch. If you have a family here, I'm sure the madame of the house would love the lights in this house. It's beautiful, it's chic, and the space here is big enough for you to do whatever you want to do here. You can have this place be your living area, have your TV against that wall, or you can have your TV against that wall. Oh, I think this is actually the TV for this hall already. There's a router already fixed for you. So when you come here, you can just hook up your internet and you're good to go. You also have a dining area over here for you, and you also have this space here where I don't even know what I will do with this space, but with remote work becoming super popular, you can have a desk area over here where you can get some work done. Let me know what you think about this space. I absolutely love it. Now let's go check out the kitchen of this house. So the kitchen still has a little bit of finishing works to be done, but it is still really beautiful. The cabinetry has been done with a white cabinet finish, and you have this beautiful marble worktop for you to cut up all your vegetables, juice everything that you want. And take a look at this. Isn't this such a nice kitchen sink? It's very chic, it's very modern. You have a soap dispenser already installed over here for you. You have all this space over here to fit all your pots and your pans. You have some space already provided for you to fit your microwave and your oven, and you also have a space here to fit your fridge in here. Aside all the space you get in the kitchen, you also have a pantry area here where you can just do your shelving and fit all the food that you buy from the market over here. Now it still has some of the boards that they used to finish this house here. This is going to be taken care of, but when you're moving into this house, all you have to do is bring your furniture and you're good to go. Everything else has been provided for you. How cool is that? Let's check out the master bedroom or the primary bedroom of this beautiful house. Look at all the space you get in your bedroom. This is a space where you have good night's rest, because you know you live in a house with a great area for you to just relax. It's beautiful, it's well lit, it's cool in here. It's everything you would want as a homeowner. Over here in this room, you have a groove here already made for you to just fit in your ceiling to floor wardrobe. You could also have your vanity right here. You could have your bed either facing there or here, and even at this entrance you can have some really stylish shelves made for you to arrange all your shoes here really nicely and enjoy your space to the fullest. So this room also has an ensuite. Of course, it's the master bedroom. It has to have an ensuite, so it has a great area for you to take a shower, relax, wash down. It's still under construction. As you can see, the shower is not fully done, but you have your toilet and your sink fixtures already made for you. But the next time you see this house, everything will be done. Let's go check out the other rooms in this house. This is the second room in this house, and this is the only room that does not have an ensuite. But the bathroom for this room is right next to it, so it doesn't even feel like it's not ensuite. But check out this space. This is a great space, and this room has my favorite view of the coconut tree. If these bars could move and you really want to have coconut, all you have to do is just open the window, jump out and grab a coconut for yourself. But it's also a great space. It also has the wardrobe space provided for you. All you have to do is fit in your wardrobe and you'll be good to go. Let's check out the bathroom for this space. Now this is the powder room, and it's also the bathroom for the second room in this house. You have your shower fixtures already installed, you have your toilets, you have your toilet paper holder installed, you have your sink and your mirror already installed, you have provisions made for you to hook up your water heater. This is the third room in this house, and this room also has an ensuite. So you are greeted with this space. It's a great space for you. Obviously, you have your wardrobe area provided for you to fit in your wardrobe, and then you have the ensuite right here with your toilet, your sink, and your shower. Now this space is a little bit tighter, but when I close the door, I have a really good space to do everything that I have to do in my bathroom here. This is the backyard for this 3-bedroom house. It's a great space for you to hang out. You have a provision here made for you to just connect a tap, for you to connect your water hose to water your beautiful garden area over here with trees already planted for you. When you buy this house and you move in this house, you are buying this house with food, because in a few months you're going to be getting some plantain. You're also going to be getting some fruit from all those beautiful fruit trees over there. Your lawn has already been made for you. All you need to do is grab your mower and mow your beautiful lawn. Let's check out the other side of the yard. So this house is sandwiched between the green spaces over here. So you have that green field everywhere you go around this house. Let's check out the green area here. Now for this green area, you also have another lawn over here, and then you have a coconut tree. In about 6 months time to a year, you're going to be harvesting coconuts right from your own land, right by your bedroom. How cool is that? So now let's talk about the money involved in buying this house. If you had 250,000 Ghana cedis, you could start owning this house, because that's the deposit for this house. The real cost of this house is 1.26 million Ghana cedis, not dollars, Ghana cedis for this house. It is beautiful, it is spacious. I think the price is worth it. It's located in a gated community that has 24-hour security. It has 2 primary schools, it has shops, it has a hospital close by, it has water and electricity already hooked up. We also have a community church over here. This area is not prone to flood like a lot of areas in Accra. This house is located in the beautiful Blue Gardens estate. So with 250,000 Ghana cedis, you can make the deposit for this house, and for the remaining 80%, you can pay it interest-free over the next 3 years, and this house with all of its amenities will be yours. Let me know what you think about this house in the comment section below. I am Mami Sika, your #1 Kaswa ambassador. Remember that obra woara, life is